What's the smoke?
More here. It's a hot spring.
I think it's a hot springs.
We're gonna check this out.
Yeah. We came up on this and I thought there was a burn or something, but it is a hot springs. How fun is that?
Ouch.
Yeah.
Ow. Seriously hot.
Yeah. It looks hot. The boiling fountain. Alexander Ross and his Hudson's Bay Company fur trappers were the first white men to visit these hot springs. His diary describes camping at the boiling fountain when they came here on October 1, 1824. Cool. Get in, babe. Woo!
Yeah.
Ah, it's like hot and then icy cold. Gotta
Warmer.
get closer.
Warmer.
Ah.
It's so cool because you get this, the hot and the cold beating. Right
Ooh,
here.
yeah.
Oh, it's right here. Oh, yeah.
Ah.
It's like being in a kind of a cool bathtub, and the hot water's running and hitting you in certain spots.
It's totally like an ice cold bathtub with the faucet running on hot. That's exactly what it is.
Oh, right here. Ooh, it's like it's cold here and hot here.
We found a tub. Whoop, there he goes.
Sweet.
This is sweet.
Oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh. Hot bath. It's perfect, Tim.
Is it? I'm coming in.
Oh my god.
I need a swimsuit. Ah! I don't have a swimsuit. Oh, okay. Oh my. It's gonna take a second.
Awesome, baby.
Oh, give me a second. Oh my god.
Am I right?
What a weird start to our day. We are really living the life. Sunbeam Hot Springs, heck of a way to start a morning.
Can we do that every day?
Now I'm really like, I need a nap or something.
It's 10 a.m. I need a nap.
Yeah. Okay, should we mosey on? We didn't make it very far. So far we've driven like 5 miles. Okay, down the road we go. We are headed north on, what highway is this, 93?
No?
No, we're not to
This
93
is still
yet.
71? I don't know.
We're south of Salmon, Idaho, about 100 miles, so.
Well, I don't know, we're probably still half an hour from Highway 93.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool.
So,
Let's do it.
all right.
Okay, we stopped in Chalice, just south of where we are right now, and I got a coffee and a maple bar, and I'm super happy now. We've pulled over here. It looked like a nice fishing hole. I don't know. Dave's down here somewhere. So I think this is the Salmon River here. Any luck?
Yeah. It doesn't matter.
Nope. Good answer. It doesn't matter. This is the Salmon River, no? Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. Campsite for the night. Cottonwood Campground. Yeah, I think this is like 10 miles north of Chalice, Idaho, right on the Salmon River.
On Highway 93. Hi, Pistol.
This is gonna be great.
Pretty quiet here.
Mm-hmm.
$10 a night.
Yep.
Pretty private.
There's a camp host here and one other camper. That's it. Beautiful. Whoa.
What's that? It's like styrofoam. Nice.
Yay! Num nums. Good girl. All gone. How's the fishing?
Fishing's good, catching's poor.
Ah. I've been working on a video. I don't know what's been going on out here.
Well, one big one keeps jumping right there and torturing me. I was trying to carve.
Yeah.
Put the pole down, start carving, you start jumping right in front of you, like 3 feet from the shore. Grab the pole, nothing. So I've lost 3, 2 small ones and 1 really big one. But I mean, when they hit, they just come completely out of the water and explode, and then they're just, they're good. They're tricky.
It's a beautiful day.
This is Tower Rock Campground, one would assume correctly, that's Tower Rock. But apparently Lewis and Clark camped right here. I think the campground wasn't here then. But
Right.
This is where they camped, right here, and Clark wrote about that cliff in 1805.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're camping like the first explorers in this area. Well, maybe not quite like. They probably weren't cooking things in the Instant Pot.
No, they got a bunch of fish from the natives and ate salmon.
Really?
Yeah, in Salmon River.
So this campground is actually just north of Salmon, Idaho, probably 10 miles or so.
Yeah.
What's the name of this campground? Oh, you just said.
Tower Rock.
Tower Rock. And look at this rock over here. Now see if you agree with me. This rock right here looks like a giant lizard.
Yeah.
See his mouth, and he has like
Or a
the
turtle
a big thing that comes down like lizards have, you know? I know you're gonna agree with me. There's Tower Rock.
Twice. That may happen again, right over the grass. Twice. The snake has started to swim across, and it gets about half over and sees me and goes back. But
Oh my gosh.
I think it's a big gopher snake, but it's like, it's a big
Yuck.
freaking snake, man.
Oh. I have been on red alert for snakes with Pistol Girl. So you're saying you don't like them? Why don't you take a
There's a
dip?
need for them, but I just don't like them.
This is really funny because I was just asking if certain snakes can swim, like rattlesnakes.
You
If
just
they
asked
can
me
swim.
that today.
Yeah, I did. Just ask you that. What is he? Scary, that's what he is. You spooning out here? What's happening here? It's carving the bull.
Still pretty thick. I got a ways to go. I'm gonna make a big, deep serving spoon.
That's so pretty.
It's really tough because this knot appeared as I was Xing out this blank. So that's making it a challenge.
You like a challenge. Isn't the sound of scraping the bowl so satisfying?
It is. It is. I really like it.
And you're not gonna sand this one?
Never.
Never.
No. This is a piece of cherry that we cut from your brother and his wife Cindy's
Yeah,
cherry
yeah.
farm in Oregon.
They said go cut a tree down, so.
I couldn't do it.
Well-
I cut a big branch off one.
Yeah, it was kind of just a semi-dead tree anyway, so.
But it's
That's awesome.
a nice piece of cherry.
Yeah.
A knot right there. too.
No, I hear it. Oh, that's
Otherwise,
so
it's just
hard.
like butter.
Yeah.
But it's been the greatest challenge to be able to get to a point where you can make a symmetrical bowl with just a knife and have it, you know. I'm getting there.
Yeah, I love it. While you're working on your masterpiece, I'm also working on a masterpiece.
What's that? Pray tell.
Well, something I'm gonna guarantee you've never had before for dinner. Dinner is served. What is this concoction, you ask? Well, we had a corned beef Dave picked up. You're just focusing on the beer.
I'm sorry.
We had a little corned beef Dave picked up. Needed cooked, so I thought I'd cook it. Then I had some potatoes, because I thought corned beef and potatoes, that sounds good. But then I also thought potato salad sounded good. So I thought, what if I made a corned beef potato salad? Load it up. It's a one-pot wonder here.
Well, that's sure a nice spoon.
It is so awesome. So this is an invention. It's got red potatoes, eggs, corned beef. It's got dill pickle. None of that sweet stuff here. Stone ground mustard, and I put some horseradish in it.
Ah, that's good.
Yeah,
That's what I was
you
getting.
getting that? A little twang off that. None of that prepared horseradish either. It's like ground horseradish.
Mm. Oh, good. Mm. I love horseradish rub.
Yeah. Good stuff. All right.
It's potato salad with corned beef and horseradish in it.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it is. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah.
That's what I was hoping for.
Is it? It's exactly what you thought was coming. All right, we'll see you guys down the road. We're going to be up into Montana probably tomorrow and then hanging out on the Big Hole River. Maybe Dave will catch a fish.
Or whatever stream looks good.
Yeah. And then we'll head up and visit his family in Ronan. And then we may continue our journey north. Hop into Canada.
Somewhere.
Stay tuned. See See you later.
Carry on.
Carry on.